Everybody wants clean carpets, but one company is saying that when you clean with normal carpet cleaning chemicals, the results are actually dirtier. Scott from Zerorez is in studio, so I hear that. Did I hear that right? There are cleaners making things dirtier? It sounds like an oxymoron.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but sadly it is true with our industry. So with carpet cleaning, everybody is using a detergent, a shampoo, something that is designed to attract dirt. And the real problem is they can't get it all out of the carpet when they're done. So if you leave chemicals in the carpet, they're going to do their job, they're going to attract dirt. And the two perfect examples, have you ever had your carpets cleaned and spots came back afterwards?
Yeah, I'm constantly still scrubbing, Scott.
There you go. That's chemical residue. A lot of people get their carpets cleaned and they're super crunchy when they're done. That's chemical residue. So that's the problem that cleaners are leaving behind that you just don't get with us.
So what is the Zerorez way all about, Scott?
Yeah, so with Zerorez, it's no detergents, no shampoos. We're using electrolyzed water. It's a self-neutralizing cleaning agent that leaves no residue behind. So my favorite part about it is there's not a strong chemical smell when we're finished. There's actually almost no smell when we're finished. Spots don't come back. Your carpets will actually stay cleaner longer. So if you're looking for that like great deal, you pay for your carpets to get cleaned, and then months and months and months later, they're still looking just as clean as they were at the beginning.
Oh, this is tremendous bang for your buck. It's
absolutely.
5-star service. They've got little booties on their shoes. They're not getting things dirtier. And how about this shot right there?
That's the money shot.
Look at that strip in the middle. So how does that happen?
Yeah, the electrolyzed water is cleaning and pulling things up. We also have a scrubbing process. The scrubbing process pulls the things out that your vacuum can't get out. So we're doing stuff that we're not even charging extra for that other cleaners do. So again, the value for the money is absolutely there.
And 2 tremendous deals are going on right now, right? It's all at the top of your website?
Absolutely. Everything's at the top of the website. You can book your cleaning right there if you don't like talking to people. You don't even have to call. You just go to the website and book it right there. It's easy.
Now, a 5-star service. You're making things awesome here in this community. Really do appreciate it. I'll be seeing you in my apartment later this afternoon. Really do appreciate it. It's that easy. All the information is on your screen. Great carpet and tile cleaning deals, plus much more on ZerorezColoradoSprings.com. This segment has been sponsored by Zerorez.